Selin Turhan. In this video, I will be sharing a short summary of a Coursera course I recently completed called Introduction to Abnormal Psychology. I took this course because I wanted to understand more about mental disorders, where they come from, and how they are diagnosed and treated. It was a really eye opening experience. The course starts by asking a basic but important question: what makes a behavior abnormal? We learned that there isn't one clear answer. It depends on cultural norms, the level of distress it causes, how much it interferes with someone's life, and whether it's harmful to the person or others. I found it interesting that being different isn't the same as being mentally ill. We then explored some of the major categories of psychological disorders like anxiety disorders, mood disorders, personality disorders, and psychotic disorders. For each one, the course explained typical symptoms, common causes, and how professionals make diagnoses using tools like DSM-5. One section that really stood out to me was about depression and bipolar disorder. The course explained not just symptoms but how these conditions affect people emotionally, physically, and socially. It also talked about how biological, psychological, and environmental factors can all play a role. There is rarely just one single cause. We also covered schizophrenia, OCD, eating disorders, and PTSD. I appreciated how the course used real life case studies to help us and understand what people actually go through, not just definitions on paper. It made everything feel more human and less theoretical. Another part I found really helpful was the discussion on treatment. We learned about different therapy approaches like CBT, medication, and psychodynamic therapy. The course made it clear that treatment isn't one size fits all. It depends on the person and on the disorder. Finally, the course touched on stigma and how it affects people living with mental illness. It emphasized how important it to see mental health just like physical health, something that needs care, support, and understanding, not shame or silence. Overall, Introduction to Abnormal Psychology gave me a strong foundation in how mental disorders are understood in modern psychology. I would definitely recommend it to anyone interested in psychology, mental health, or working with people in any supportive role. Thanks for watching.